Most students are wasting their time. They don't know how to use the AI tool properly. That is the things. So how to use the AI tool properly? Today I'm going to bring the video of discuss about the 5 AI tool which help us to solve all your problem when you are studying. So here, first I'm going to look at the tool which is a ChatGPT. So ChatGPT, if you are go to ChatGPT, you can see you can work this one so totally free. Okay, so totally free, you can get the benefit of it. So what you are going to do is here, whatever you can do. So if you want to generate the image, you have to tell them this tool properly you can guide whatever you are giving the instruction. According to the instruction it works. Okay, if you just type I need to create the poster, it is not created as you expected. Okay, you have to tell them clearly. Okay, you have given the instruction clearly, then only it will be giving you to the output as very perfect output you will be able to get. Okay, so imagine, so first I'm going to generate a Instagram post. So first you have to tell them act as a world best Instagram post Instagram post graphic designer. You just tell. Now the AI to now have understand. You tell the instruction, change, you have to train them as a designer. Second one, I'm going to tell them, you have to put dot at the end. After that, you can tell them, I want to create a create a just you can tell them digital marketing you can tell them here marketing course certificate in marketing course. The certificate in marketing. So this is the post I'm going to create. Okay, so here you can tell them use the primary background color should white should be white and primary color blue. You can tell them secondary color orange. So you can tell them like that. So you have to tell them simply, you can put it to the double quotation mark, then it will simply understand what is your requirement will be. Okay, so that AI tool without confuse, you can tell them within the double quotation, they can understand this is the things the user needed. So that, okay, so that's the things. Okay, so here I have a accidentally I click. Okay, okay, okay. Now what I'm going to do is blow and whatever you can add the instruction. So need to add the eye catchy text, make more clicks, add some eye catchy text, make more clicks. So these are the things we need. Simply we can explain. So here I have to understand that. So here I'm going to give me the prompt for give me the prompt please. give me the prompt please. Good. You just tell like that. So this is a prompt. Here everything it I have tell them in detail. So they gave me the prompt, clear prompt. So this prompt I just copy this everything. Okay, everything. I tell them here I need you to generate uh, Insta post. Just like it, paste it. That's the thing you have to do. Generate, click it. Now, now it start to generate your image. Okay, so don't generate it here. It is not generated properly. You ask the ChatGPT to ask the prompt. Okay, this is the way we have to use it. Okay, this is how to use the things properly. Okay, this is the thing you have to use. So you can see here it is creating. Okay, you have to wait until the things is done. So this way we have to do the image creation. Okay, the properly. So now after after that it will be created. So what you are going to do is, if you feel to change something else, you have to clearly you have to mention here. So I need this text should be on the top left. Okay, you have to clearly tell to the instruction to this AI tool what is the instruction you are given. The output will be displayed as your instruction. Okay, what's the according to the instruction the output will be displayed. So here it is creating your wait. So it is creating. Here it's a very eye-catching professional poster display. Here it is at the certificate as the build the more trustable. They attach some sample certificate as well. Okay, so when the user saw this post, it's clearly certificate in marketing, become a marketing expert in just a week. This is a very powerful, eye-catching text. They are implemented here. This is a very good text. What are the things include this marketing? Digital marketing fundamental, social media marketing, SEO marketing. These all are the marketing, powerful marketing strategies. They are. It is listed. Okay. Here the CTR as the call to action. Register today. Okay, so start your marketing career now. So this is the, if you are put it this like this way, the people having some curiosity to click on it and make the registration itself. Okay, so that's how we have attracted the people. This is how we have do the things. Okay, this is how we have made the graphic designing posters as well. So you download and you can upload on your Instagram page, and you can, so here you can ask, I need a eye-catchy marketing text. Marketing text, please put on the uh, Insta description of this post. So you can type. This one should be the Instagram. Okay, so now you can clearly tell here this is a human writing. You can tell that here slash mean it's a human friendly content. I need it. So it is suggestion. You can tell them here ready to start your career in marketing. Our certificate marketing course designed to given the practical skill, confident you need to succeed in today's world. So here it's a very good text, very eye-catching. The join your target, gain the practical skill employee business looking for. Here these two are very good. Okay, they attach the hashtag as well. Okay, so you match with this one, and you can uh, you will be able to match these two. You can get one of it and you can use it this post. When you post, you can include this text as well. Everything it will be clearly mentioned. Okay, the very simple way. Okay, so now I'm going to go to a new text here. So this is for our designers. Okay, so when you are developer, so what you are going to do is, so I want to act as a, you can call it act as a world best software developer. So here, what you're going to here, you have given the simply, I want to, I'm planning to developing the inventory management system. So how to ask the ChatGPT is, first of all, you can ask, give me the act as the developer. I want to make the inventory inventory POS system. Can mention this POS system, POS system, POS system in point system, POS system. Uh, PRT, project requirement document. Okay, I want to make the inventory POS system PRD for my supermarket. Supermarket. Can mention it clearly. So right away it is a PRD, project requirement document. It is very must. How the product requirements you will be able to get it here. Okay, the problems, the goal, objective, target, users, cashier, everything. Here the core functions, features, what we included. Post billing, it's a very the first crucial one. Inventory, purchase, sales management, user management, dashboards, every aspect is there. So what is the front end you are going to use? Okay, so back end, what your back end you are use? What's the database you are going to use? Okay, so the everything, what is the optional, the barcodes scanning. It's a live web scot for livestock updated. Okay, so the everything non-functional, so the everything in detail. So this kind of a report you can get. These are the, so once you, before you can make the software, you first you can check out what are the this everything you can get it here, and this all the requirements you can put into one this kind of a tool which will be build your system. That is a anti-gravity gravity Google. Okay, so here you can download and you can put into this requirements. According to the requirements, it will be build your system. Okay, the way only, not only this is the very advanced. If you you can make it ChatGPT as well, all the codes and all the things, but this is very powerful one. Google anti-gravity. When you make this, the another one is a cursor AI. This is also the, when you are code, this is also the you can try out cursor AI. So one I am use this both while I am writing the coding. Google anti-gravity as well cursor AI. This is a very advanced. Okay, okay, the ChatGPT, then these are advanced. Again, that another AI tool I'm going to use it for the coding purpose. I'm going to use it cloud AI. This also the cloud AI. This is also the very good AI. These three are very best. Okay, so we can get this PRD, project requirements document. You can paste it and get the, okay, these are the very, this how we can do the system properly. Okay, this how we can do the thing, anything else. So if you have any things, this one is very good. If you can ask the PRD, project requirements, professional PRD, professional product requirement document, supermarket inventory. So that here the PRD supermarket, so everything is filled in detail. It's very good. Okay, so I hope guys you understood things well. Okay, when you are your university project, whatever project, the software project, you can in detail you can ask them here like this way.